Good morning, students. I'm your tutor Sanket Hindime, and today's topic is clock, which is an important topic related to government exams, competitive exams. Okay, so let's begin our session. So let's see the definition of clock. Okay, clock is basically a device which is used to measure, keep, and indicate time. Okay. The second point is it consists of hour, minute, and second hand. Hour, minute, and second hand. Okay, so I will show you with the help of pen in the figure. Okay, so this is hour hand, this is second hand, and this is minute hand. Okay, the third point is overall revolution of three hands is 360 degree. Okay, 360 degree basically means that all three hands complete one revolution in 360 degree. Okay, so basically angle made in one revolution is 360 degree. Okay, let's move further to next slide. Revolution, minute hand revolution and hour hand revolution. Okay, so for minute hand revolution, so minute hand takes 1 hour to rotate 360 degree. Okay, which implies 60 minutes equals to 360 degree, which implies 1 minute equals to 6 degree. Basically in 1 minute, minute hand revolves 6 degree. Okay, and for hour hand revolution, in 12 hour it rotates 360 degree for 12 hours. Okay, means it takes 12 hour to complete 360 degree, that is one revolution, which implies 1 hour equals to 30 degree, 1 minute equals to 0.5 degree. So in 1 minute it rotates 0.5 degree. Okay student, learn this. This is important when we are solving questions related to clocks. Okay, gain of minute hand over hour hand. This is our hand. There is a mistake in printing. Okay, so this is our hand. So gain is given by the formula. Gain equals to 6 degree minus 0.5 degree. Basically 6 degree means minute hand revolution for 1 minute, and 0.5 degree means hour hand revolution for 1 minute. So it is coming out to be 5.5 degree. So this is the gain of minute hand over hour hand, which is equals to 11 by 2 degree, which is in fraction. Okay, this is the gain. Okay, now the next topic, angle between hour hand and minute hand. Okay, so the angle formula is given by angle equals to 30 into starting time in bracket hours minus 11 by 2 in bracket minutes. Okay, this is also important, this formula. Let's see with the help of an example. The time is given as 5:25 p.m. which is basically 5 hours 25 minutes. So we have to calculate the angle. Okay, so angle equals to 30 into 5. So 5, basically 5 is the starting time. Okay, 5 hours. This is hours. So 5 hours minus 11 by 2 into 25. 25 is 25 minutes. Okay, so the answer is coming out to be 12.5 degree. So this is the angle between 5:25 p.m. that is 5 hours 25 minutes. Okay students, so this is the formula. Angle equals to 30 into starting time minus 11 by 2. Now coincidence of hour and minute hand. Okay, coincidence basically means overlapping of hands, which is shown in this figure. Okay, so hour hand and minute hand are coinciding or overlapping, and the angle between them is 0 degree. Okay, 0, they are making 0 degree angle. because they are coinciding. And the opposite direction basically means they are in straight line. So they are in straight line, and the angle made by these two hands is 180 degree. Okay, this is 180 degree. Okay, so there are some conditions for coincidence and overlapping. Coincidence and opposite directions. Okay, so in 1 hour, the coincidence and overlapping is 1 time. In 12 hours, it is 11 times. In 24 hours, it is 22 times. Okay. Okay. Right angle of hour and minute hand. Okay. So when minute hand and hour hand are in 90 degree, so they are forming 90 degree angle. So this is hour hand and this is minute hand. Okay. There are some conditions related to this also. So basically in 1 hour, the right angle formed is 2 times. In 12 hours, it is 22 times. And in 24 hours, it is 44 times. Okay, students? Okay, now let's do some questions related to clocks. Okay, students? So our first question is, at what time between 3 and 4 o'clock, hour and minute hand would be in opposite direction? So basically opposite direction means when they are in straight line. Okay, so they are in straight line, and the angle formed is 180 degree. Okay, 180 degree. So this is the condition. Now let's see the solution. So the formula is given as time equals to 2 by 11 in bracket 30 into starting time plus minus required angle. So this formula is really important to solve the questions related to clocks. Okay, this is really important. By heart this formula. Okay, now let's solve the question. So 2 by 11 in bracket 30 into 3. 30 into 3. 3 is basically the starting time. Okay, so we have taken as 3 plus minus 180 degree. 180 degree because the angle formed by hour hand and minute hand is 180 degree when they are in opposite direction, basically in straight line. So this is the angle which is coming out to be 180 by 11 degree plus minus 360 by 11 degree after simplifying this. Okay, after simplifying it more, the answer is coming 540 by 11 degree or minus 180 by 11 degree. Basically we are after adding 180 by 11 degree plus 360 by 11, it is coming 540 by 11, and after subtracting 180 minus 11 by 360 by 11, it is coming out to minus 180 by 11. So basically it contains negative sign and time is not negative, so neglect this value minus 180 by 11. So this is the answer 540 by 11 degree, but time is also not in degree, so we have to convert this in integer form. So after converting into integer form, so this is the integer form 49 1 by 11 minutes. Okay, past 3, basically it means 3 hours 49 1 by 11 minutes. Okay, so this is the time when hour hand and minute hand are in opposite direction between 3 and 4 o'clock. Okay, so this is the time. Learn this formula. Okay, learn this formula. This is really important formula. Okay, so this is our first question and this is the solution. The next question is, at what time between 3 and 4 o'clock hour hand and minute hand would coincide each other? Okay, coincide means when they are together like this. Okay, like this, when they are coinciding. So solution. So basically the formula is same. So time equals to 2 by 11 in bracket 30 into starting time plus minus required angle. Okay, so 2 by 11 in bracket 30 into 3, starting time is 3, so it is taken as 3. Okay, plus minus 0 degree. 0 degree because they are coinciding and the angle is 0 degree. They are not making any angle, so this is 0 degree. equals to 2 by 11 in bracket 90 degree. Okay. After solving this, the answer is coming 180 by 11 degree. So convert this 180 by 11 degree in integer form. So this is the integer form, 64 by 11 minutes past 3. So this basically means 3 hours 16 4 by 11 minutes. So this is the answer. Okay. When they are coinciding with each other. So this is the time. Okay. Between 3 and 4 o'clock. Okay, now the third question. At what time between 4 and 5 o'clock hour and minute hand would be at right angles? Okay, right angles. So basically like this, right angles. Okay, right angles, 90 degree. This is degree. Okay, this is degree. So solution, time equals to 2 by 11 30 into starting time plus minus required angle. So here 4 is starting time. Okay, 4 starting time plus minus 90 degree because they are forming right angle and right angle is 90 degree. So after solving this, the answer is coming out to be 620 by 11 degree or 60 by 11 degree. So this can be your answer, one of this. Okay, or basically both, depend on your options. So the answer is in integer form as 56 4 by 11 minutes or 5 by 11 minutes past 4. Okay, so this is the time. So this is the integer form of 620 by 11 and this is the integer form of 60 by 11 degree. So this is the time when they are at right angles. So two times, basically two times when they are at 90 degree. Okay student, remember this. So basically in this time 56 4 by 11 minutes it will form 90 degree, and after this at 5 by 11 minutes past 4 it will form 90 degree. Basically for in two time between 4 and 5 o'clock they will form 90 degree. Okay students. Okay, now the last question of today's session. At what time after 8 o'clock the angle between hour and minute hand would be 20 degree? Okay, basically we have given the angle as 20 degree. Okay, we have not given as if they are coinciding or they are in opposite direction. Okay, so we have to time when it is making an angle 20 degree. So solution, time equals to 2 by 11 start 30 into starting time plus minus required angle. Okay, so 2 by 11 in bracket 30 into it. So this is starting time because we have to calculate the time after 8 o'clock. So this is the starting time after 8 o'clock. So this is the starting time 8 o'clock plus minus 20 degree because the angle given as 20 degree. Okay, so this is coming out to be 520 by 11 degree or 440 by 11 degree. Okay students, so after converting 520 by 11 in integer form it is 47 3 by 11 minutes, and after converting 440 by 11 degree in integer form, basically it is not, it is divisible, so it is coming as 40 minutes. Okay, 40 minutes, basically the quotient is 40 minutes, 40 minutes past 8. Okay, so this is the answer. So these are the two time when they are forming 20 degree after 8 o'clock. Okay students, these are the two times. Okay students, remember this formula, the time formula, because this is really important formula because most of the question will be asked from this topic only, time topic. Okay, and the one that is angle, you will ask about to calculate the angle between the time, so that is also an important topic. Okay students, let's wrap to this session. I hope you liked my lecture. So hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, do press the bell icon and share my lecture. And try to solve more and more questions related to clocks. And till then, work hard.